So what are some of the things you can try if your Google Chrome browser cannot play videos on Android? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Google Chrome app cannot actually go ahead and play videos on your Android phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's say sometimes you're trying to browse a movie or watch a movie, stream it, but you're not being able to have the video played on your Google Chrome browser. What are the things that you can do? First thing, check your internet connection. As always, it's very important to actually basically check your internet connection. If you have some other Wi-Fi, try to switch to that Wi-Fi and then see if the video is getting played, because videos on browsers actually require more stranded version of the internet. If that doesn't help, then what I want you to do is go ahead and then first of all, long press the Google Chrome application over here. Then just tap the I button that will take you to the app information page, which is the settings page. Then just go to storage, clear cache files, go to manage storage, also make sure to clear the data. Remember that clearing the data will most likely log you out of your Google account, which means that next time whenever you open the Chrome app, it's going to be like the time when you first installed it. Now you can just tap the continue option, tap on the sync option, tap on continue, and just try to play the video by going to the URL you were on earlier, and then see if that helps you solve your problem. Last but not the least, it could also basically be due to your lack of update. So check if your Google Chrome app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.